Any questions?
No.
Yes.
Is there a way to fight legislating from the bench?
Yes, vote us in office and get rid of the Democrats.
I mean, but when they're already in there, what can we do?
Well, that's why you have high courts. If the party that doesn't do well in our court doesn't like that result, they have an opportunity to ask the Supreme Court or the Court of Criminal Appeals to consider the case and do it. But they don't have to. We have to take every case that comes our way. Right? On our court, we're going to dispose of over 2,000 cases a year. Just under 1,000 of them are going to have substantive opinions. 99% of the time, those opinions become the final word in the case. They're only, and we're, okay, so roughly 10,000 appellate cases are going to be disposed of in a normal year. 20% of those are going to come from our court. As Justice Branning told you, the Texas Supreme Court is only going to decide somewhere between 70 to 100 cases a year.
100, a fraction of a percent. I mean, for all practical purposes, our court is the court of last resort, the last stop on the train. So, we're it. If you don't have good conservative justices to rein in the activist justices on our level, and the odds are not good that the Supreme Court is even going to be interested in or willing to take a case. Out of the 10,000 appeals a year, we get about 2,000. We're the biggest and busiest appellate court in the state. And, only 100 are going to be taken by the Supreme Court.
Well, that's not the only problem we have. You got the Supreme Court that's still trying to legislate.
There are 4 of them on the ballot this time.
I'd say the stench from the bench is making me clench.
Listen, our Texas Supreme Court does a pretty good job. They really do. Yes.
So do I understand this correctly then, and help me if I don't? Any decision that has been rendered can be appealed and will be heard? Is that what I hear you saying?
If it comes to our court, we will decide it one way or the other, or the parties will dismiss it.
If it's timely appealed, we must take it.
Okay, so what is the statute of limitations, or when you say timely appeal, does it?
Typically 30 days, something to 25 days. Then if there's a motion for new trial, things can get extended up to 105 days. There's lawyers, and if you don't have a lawyer, you've got to read the rules very closely. There's deadlines, but if a person meets that deadline, we must take the appeal. That's not true with the Texas Supreme Court. They filter them and take what they think are the more important cases.
Yeah, 20% of all the appeals throughout the state of Texas come through our court. Anything else? Thank you all for being here. We appreciate it very, very, very much.